If you were in the search for a strong, all-natural, and super healthy antibiotic, this is the recipe for you. This remedy is effortlessly prepared at home and is bound to recharge your body and make it work ideally. Building a powerful and indestructible immune system is essential for the body to operate properly. No more inflammation and infections, and trust this remedy to protect you from harm. Do not underestimate any of the ingredients listed in this recipe. They all serve a purpose and are meant to help you fight off diseases and bacteria. Ingredients: 3 cups apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup garlic, finely chopped, 1/4 cup onion, finely chopped, 2 fresh peppers, extra hot and chili, 1/4 cup ginger, grated, 2 tablespoons horseradish, grated, 2 tablespoons turmeric, 3 tablespoons honey. Preparation: mix all ingredients in a bowl except for the apple cider vinegar. When ingredients are mixed well, pour them into a jar, then add apple cider vinegar to the jar, seal well and mix properly. Store jar in a dark and cool area for 14 days. When done, strain remedy with a gauze pad. Consume 1 tablespoon of the tincture a day. This dose is enough to keep you secure from infectious influences and bacteria. Don't mind the spicy flavor, that is what makes this cure so mighty.